We live in the future, folks. With the power of witchcraft and sorcery, I can now transfer music files directly from my PC to my Astell&Kern player wirelessly. Speaking of unrelated things and weird segues, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you like videos and reviews of all the latest audiophile and music gear right here at Moon Audio. All weird intros aside, AK File Drop is a pretty awesome feature if you have an Astell&Kern music player, and today we're going to walk you through how it works and how to set it up. AK File Drop or File Transfer is a newer feature for some of the latest AK players on the market, specifically the SC180, the SR25 Mark II, and the SP2000T. It allows you to wirelessly drop music files from your PC to your AK player so that they can be accessed locally on your DAP rather than streaming them like you would using BT Sync. This is a big difference and also a lot easier to get music to your DAP without having to find a cable, connect it, drop and drag files, waiting for them to copy, and then safely disconnect from your computer. Essentially, you are setting up your DAP as a network drive, which allows you to view and modify file contents remotely. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, step number one when talking about AK File Drop is you're going to want to go on your DAP, go to Settings, make sure you turn on AK File Drop. Next, it's going to provide you some information with the specific address for the DAP. So what you'll do is go to this PC. We're using Windows 11 version right now. This will be pretty consistent with any versions of Windows, and you'll have a similar connection experience if you're using a Mac. So what you're going to want to do is right click. You're going to want to add a network location right here. That's going to pop up the wizard. You're going to want to choose a custom network location. Here, you want to make sure, first off, that your computer and DAP are both on the same network. And in this case, you will put in that address provided on the DAP player. Once you have that typed in, be sure not to put in the / at the end. You're going to want to click Next. You are going to disable Anonymous Ftp to enable both uploading and downloading to your DAP. So unclick anonymously. Be sure to put in your username. Here you can type a name for your network location. To make it easy, we'll just call it SP2000T. Then it'll bring up the confirmation saying you have completed the add network location. Call it SP2000T. A shortcut for this location will appear in computer, and we'll just go ahead and open it up. Now it's going to ask you to log on. In this case, you're going to want to put admin for the username and also admin for the password as prompted on the DAP screen. So make sure that when you log in, use a lowercase, as the uppercase A for admin will not work. Once you do that, you'll see the window pop open for the SP2000T. Under this PC, you should see it as a network drive right here. And then you'll have your specific files here that you can drop music into. So now we're going to try and find some music files here to drop into the player. Let's go back to this PC. On our server here, we have a drive here for all sorts of music. Any requests, Ross?
Ooh, I don't even know what's in the library.
We have 1,241 items. Let's use some bare naked ladies here. All right. So let me copy this. All right, so copy the folder. You can drop it under the music. Give it some time to copy. Maybe I shouldn't have done the whole album. Maybe I should have just done a song. Oh well, it's okay. Okay, now that we've transferred some music, let's check it out here. So you want to go back to the home screen, because you just press the button at the bottom. And then you're going to go to, let's go to album. Bam, there it is. Bare Naked Ladies. And you'll see your songs. Of course, they're still copying here on the computer, but they'll show up right here. And all you got to do is play y'all music. So once you have it set up, you'll see that it's pretty efficient and quick to get files onto your player from a different library that you might have on your computer or phone. Want more tutorials like this? Hit that thumbs up button and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss our latest videos and reviews. If you have any questions about AK file drop or transferring music to your DAP, be sure to leave a comment. And as always, thanks for watching.